So yeah, all in all, we'll have 24 guys up here working around the clock. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We have, I think, 4 or 5 guys from between the Colorado Springs, Fort Collins, and Rapid City branch that are helping us this week.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really cool. Very high stakes. We have a 96-hour period, and we basically have to get it all done in this 96 hours, or we get, charged a bunch of money. So high stakes, but I think we're going to do it. As a project manager, I think my goal is to take a fire sprinkler system or a fire alarm system from the design phase through install into the final inspection sign-off.
But project manager literally takes everything on in the project. In Denver, we have project manager designers.
So usually I'm the one doing the designs myself because I work as a designer and project manager. But if I do have help with design, then I'll just take it over after we have a permit from the city.
From getting the project, finding out all the issues with it, RFIs, running through, talking with the customers, just anything that you have on the project, that is going to be the sole responsibility of the project manager.
I'll work on things like material procurement, making sure we have the correct manpower at the correct time.
Getting everything set up to go to the field, fabrication, there's, the design.
We're in charge of making sure that our field teams have what they need to be successful. So whether that's material or information, we need to be communicating with them all the time to make sure we both have everything we need for the project to be a success.
Communication's key, whether it's on the phone or following up with emails, but keeping those lines open and making sure we're the experts on things and we're giving the right solutions or answering their problems is really key. And
then it's a lot of office and kind of administration stuff that we help with as well. So things like billings, things like change orders. So making sure that we have good communication with the field and that we both understand the scope of our project. And if we are asked to do things outside of that scope or need to do things outside of that scope, to keep up with code, that we're tracking that and making sure that we're getting reimbursed for that work.
There's a lot of aspects to the project and every project's different. So, one thing you might do on one project, you might not do on the next. But, just any problems come the way, I like to call it problem management instead of project management, just because you're going to be fixing all the problems and finding the solutions to, get us profitable on the project and make money.